Todo Unwind. Yan ang bago naming segment ngayon where we talk about movies and shows to watch. Dahil hindi lang kami puro trabaho, marunong din kami mag-relax.
For now, puro shows muna. Pero sa other episodes natin, it might be restaurants, team building spots.
Yawn.
Okay puntahan, okay to unwind. So,
Yes.
for this episode, Pats, tama ba?
Ngayon pag-uusapan namin, top 3 kami.
Yes.
So this is like a top 3 draft of the movies/shows na we're going to recommend to you.
Pero medyo recent, no? Medyo recent.
Medyo recent, oh.
But before we start, ganda ng jacket mo, sir.
Ay, thank you.
Ganda ng jacket natin.
Sabi ng tatay ko, plus 10 years daw sa kumpanya. Napagkakamalan akong hindi na ako new hire kapag nasa office na ako.
Gets. Ano yan? Ganda eh.
Onesimus to, local brand, no? Your go-to sa mga sa mga suit. Ako yun yata yung suit ko ng prom.
Right. Pati mga long sleeves. Mga,
Long sleeves, shoes even, no? Onesimus, baka naman.
Let's start. Top 3 shows and movies to, di ba?
Una ka na.
Top 3 shows and movies. Number 3
number
ko.
3.
Sobrang recently bumisita yung host ng show na to dito sa Pilipinas kasi nag-open siya ng restaurant niya.
Yes.
Now, on its 23rd season, sobrang fan namin ng wife ko nito. Hell's Kitchen.
Hell's Kitchen. Starting off,
Reality show, Hell's
okay.
Kitchen. I think Hell's Kitchen is like a super safe bet. You already know what to expect. Yun yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya. You already know what to expect. You know there will be some drama. You know na magkakaroon ng sigawan. Alam mo kung ano yung what to expect from Gordon Ramsay, which is sobrang galing niya in terms of like media and business. Sobrang siya na-appreciate. Pero ang gandahan in this season of Hell's Kitchen, head chefs only. Hey, sobrang galing. Head chefs only.
So, parang nag-up yung competition.
Dati kasi parang of different...
Kung sino-sino lang.
Hindi naman kung sino-sino, but of varying
Varying
experience,
Yes,
level of
yes,
experience, level of skills. No? So ito, mas may finesse. Can I just say, wala na yung sobrang parang, what are you doing? Bakit ganun? Wala na masyadong nagpapanik, wala na masyadong napapagalitan, pero mas tumindi yung competition. So sobrang okay.
Level up, no?
Level up. Ang ginagawa namin maganda dito, every start of a Hell's Kitchen season, kami nung wife ko, nagbe-bet kami. Ano sino yung manok mo? Sino yung tingin mong mananalo?
May pustahan ba to?
Yung pusta is a dinner eh. Kaya lang, this time around, yung parehas na manok namin natanggal hindi pumasok sa black jacket even. So kasi matindi nga yung competition. So yun, pero sobrang ganda ng season na to. Ang ganda nung ang dami lang mga bagong pakulo, etc. Aside from that, level of competition, level of finesse, and sobrang sa finals kasi makikita mo parang ito yung mga menu. Sobrang galing nung mga
Sobrang tumaas din yung level.
Parang you would expect those people or yung mga not even ng mga nanalo na shucks, yung may story yan yung pag-create nila ng menu parang may narrative, mga ganun. Anyway, yun. Number 3, Hell's Kitchen. How about you? Number 3, Pats?
Yes, at my number 3, it's going to be a movie. Bago lang, kaka-release lang. It's called The Gorge, starring Miles Teller and Anya Taylor-Joy.
Apple TV.
On Apple TV,
Correct.
yes. Sobrang na-surprise ako sa plot. Bago yung plot niya. So,
Ano yung plot?
yung premise niya is that Miles Teller and Anya Taylor-Joy are both in the military, no? Or formerly in the military. They're both snipers. And
Walang spoilers to.
no spoilers,
Okay,
no
okay.
spoilers. Ito lang yung makikita niyo sa trailer. No?
Okay.
So, na-assign sila sa two separate watchtowers. And the watchtowers are separated by a gorge. No? Malalim na bangin,
Na gorge,
basically. Oh. And hindi sila pwedeng mag-make ng contact with each other. And they're tasked to man their stations and see what's inside the gorge.
Yun na
So
yun.
it's very secretive, very suspenseful, no? So, yun yung makikita nyo sa trailer and you have to watch it para malaman nyo kung ano.
Ganda ng premise Tsaka,
Yes.
I think Miles Teller, Whiplash, medyo yung Fantastic Four, medyo bomb.
Top Gun 2.
Top Gun 2, Rooster.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Miles Teller, simula nung napanood ko siya sa Whiplash, I've been a fan eh.
Yeah.
So,
Are you running or Whatever.
Are you
Dragging.
rushing or dragging?
Rushing or dragging.
Parang ganun.
But yeah, sobrang ganda. It's a mix of horror, romance even, no? And action.
Of course.
So, grabe. Pinanood ko with my whole family. Sobrang nagandaan kami lahat.
Anya Taylor-Joy. Anya Taylor-Joy.
Yes, the Queen's Gambit. of
Queen's
course.
Gambit, what do you call this? Split. Siya yun eh.
Split, yes.
Tsaka The Menu. Anyway, number 2 ko
Number 2.
would be, medyo matagal na to, pero lately ko lang napanood. Kasi lately lang kami nagka-HBO Max. The Penguin.
Penguin. Uy, as of recording natin today, 3 years na nung nirelease yung The Batman.
The Batman ni Robert Pattinson.
Yes,
Uy.
it's 3 years na.
Okay. Pero ito, The Penguin.
Yes, the spin-off. How was it?
Colin Farrell, tsaka si Christina Milioti. Si How I Met, the mother in How I Met Your Mother. Pagka kayo naman, sinabi niyo pa sa akin, spoiler, tagal-tagal na lumabas nung How I Met Your Mother. Not your typical superhero movie.
No,
Kasi hindi naman talaga.
Wala naman talagang
It's
superhero
like,
doon,
it's
no.
like the villain. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. May mga semblance of The Godfather, Goodfellas.
Yes.
Sobrang gritty. Sobrang great acting. And feeling ko, you would find yourself rooting for the Penguin. If you think about it, he's a bad guy, he's a villain, pero sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-shoot, sobrang ganda ng storytelling. Kaya parang, sobrang ganda. Sorry, malayo kong masasabihin yung sobrang ganda, pero gritty, suspenseful, great narrative, ang daming plot twist. Ang daming plot twist.
And dami na panalo na awards.
Talaga?
Yes.
Ayun, sobrang ganda. Ang galing, di mo makilala na si Colin Farrell. Should you watch The Batman first ni Robert Pattinson before watching The Penguin?
Yes.
For the first episode, yes, para easier transition. Pero para, I guess, mas mabuild yung context kung sino si The Penguin. This is after what happened, after pinasabog ni Riddler yung water wall
Yep.
around Gotham. No? So this is that. So definitely, kailangan palang panoorin kasi kasama sa plot.
Plus, it's a good movie. The Batman's a good movie.
Oo, my favorite Batman movie. Pero not my favorite Batman.
Yes.
Pero my
Ako rin.
favorite Batman movie.
Yeah. Same.
Sino yung favorite Batman?
Batfleck.
Batfleck? Dahil sobrang accurate, comic
Yes,
accurate.
yes.
Ako,
Christian Bale.
yeah.
Of course.
Dahil
Classic.
Nolan.
And it's a Nolan film.
Oo.
Yep. At my number two is this show called Reacher on Amazon Prime. This show, man, I've been watching it since season 1 nung lumabas siya because I've been a fan of the movies.
Kailangan natin mag-flex ka pagka sinasabi mong Richard. Kailangan natin.
Kailangan putok, no? But it's a cool different take from the movies, no? From the Tom Cruise movies. The Jack Reacher.
Yes.
Jack Reacher
Oh,
movies.
I was about to say na, may Jack, si Tom Cruise yung
Yes.
original Jack
Yes.
Reacher. Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's action pero there's espionage, mystery involved, 'di ba? Doon sa movies pa lang. But they say na si Alan Ritchson is a more accurate
Reacher?
Jack Reacher.
Kasi
yes.
based si Jack Reacher sa...
From a novel.
Yes.
Pero yeah, it's a more accurate version of Jack Reacher, no? He's bigger, ganda ng fight scenes, no? I love the plot from season 1 to season 3. Iba-iba lagi yung set of characters kasi he's a nomad, he's a traveler, no?
Talaga?
Yes, so
Iba-iba yung settings.
iba-iba yung setting, iba-iba yung kakampi niya, iba-iba yung kalaban niya, iba-iba yung plot. It's very, very nice. Sobrang love namin ng dad ko, panoorin yan every week on Amazon Prime.
Ito na, number 1
Number
ko.
1 mo, yeah.
Feeling ko ang gandang segue, speaking of espionage, of like mga ganyang daming military stuff, no? Day of the Jackal.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sino ba nag-suggest sa'yo noon?
Ikaw. Simula na sinabi sa may HBO Max, sinabi mo, napanood mo ba yung Day of the Jackal? And to be honest, I was hesitating. Kasi nakita ko yung trailer niya, sabi ko, Eddie Redmayne? As a sniper?
Oh,
As a-
nakilala natin siya sa
Theory of Everything. Ako,
Theory of Everything and the Harry Potter spin-off.
Exactly. Si Newt Commander.
Yes, yes.
So, ang layo nung mga ginanapan niya. Pero sobrang,
Galing, no?
it reminds me of Killer, yung kay Michael
Fassbender. Yes.
na movie. Pero sobrang malayo. Pero it reminds me because of
Ganun yung tone eh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Less humorous. Kasi
Yeah.
medyo nakakatawa yung kay Michael Fassbender if you think about it. Pero same tone. Same relentlessness.
Yes.
It's like John Wick without the sobrang extravagant action scenes.
Yes.
Pero in terms of like pursuit, in terms of like the character, may mga ganong tonality. No? Of course, walang underworld organization, pero well, actually medyo meron.
Medyo meron.
So I was super doubtful because it's a series. Inisip ko, hindi ba parang magiging
Masyado mahaba.
at the same time monotonous?
Yes.
Kung alam mo na there's a sniper and then the sniper would shoot someone.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So parang nisip ko, hindi pa parang monotonous yun. That's what you would expect. But the creative ways and the finding the spots and how to like reach the target, yun yung
Just the setup is crazy.
Exactly. So parang alam mo yung sinasabi nila na sige, it's the journey that counts. parang gano'n eh. Alam mo naman na may he will shoot someone, pero it's the journey that counts. Yun yung parang lupit. And lastly, sobrang galing nung what do you call that? Yung opposing force.
Yes.
Kasi hindi mo alam kung sino yung antagonist, protagonist. Well, kasi nga because of villain anyway.
Yeah.
So, ang galing eh. Kasi alam mo rin na sobrang na-build din yung character. Alam mo kung bakit, ano yung mga motivations niya.
Yes.
Di ba? Tsaka natatakot ako magsabi kasi baka ma-spoil, etc. Pero ang galing. Yan, ang galing.
No, I like it kasi it's very humanized. Very humanized yung characters. Even the Bida's family wife, di ba? Everything or everyone involved may role eh.
Right.
May role eh.
And everything adds to the tension, to the
Yes,
plot.
for sure.
Parang walang sayang na character na parang paano ka nakatulong to push the plot forward. Walang ganun eh.
Yep. My number one, to be completely honest, I'm still about to watch this show.
Hindi pa napapanood.
Hindi ko pa napapanood,
Okay.
but just because I'm such a huge fan of this character, from my childhood, to reading the comics, to having his own Netflix show na na-cancel, tapos biglang nagkaroon ng comeback sa Disney Plus. Oh my gosh, it's Daredevil Born Again.
Akala ko The Witcher eh. Pero nasa Netflix na.
Nasa Netflix pa naman.
Nasa Netflix pa naman.
Pero ang ganda rin nun, Pero I gotta talk about Daredevil, man. My favorite Marvel character.
Same character sa Netflix.
Same character sa Netflix.
I mean, same actor.
Same actor, same characters, same cast.
Okay.
No, it's darker, it's grittier. If you haven't watched the former Netflix Marvel shows, sobrang ganda. Daredevil, The Defenders, Luke Cage, Jessica Jones,
Punisher.
and then the Punisher. Sobrang pumatok, no? And I love just the contrast of Punisher and Daredevil, which are both present in the show. Not a spoiler, nasa trailer din yun.
Pero, canon ba to?
Yes, it's canon. This is canon din naman yung Netflix, but eto nasa Marvel Universe na talaga si Daredevil. So lumabas si Daredevil sa Spider-Man No Way Home as Peter Parker's attorney and sa She-Hulk. So sobrang na-solidify na yung presence niya sa Marvel Universe.
Right.
Oh my gosh, I can talk all day about Daredevil. He's my favorite Marvel hero of all time. Just because of his despite his disabilities, nagagawa niya pa rin ng paraan to make some good out of it. Plus, he's a lawyer and he's Catholic. Di ba? Taong simbahan siya. So what's not to love about Matt Murdock, di ba? And I love the difference between his ideology and the Punisher's ideology. Sobrang mapapaisip ka. May kakampihan ka for sure. And I just can't wait to see Daredevil and Wilson Fisk again on screen. Kaya panoorin niya. This is not a paid promotion, pero I'm just a big fan
Sana.
of Daredevil. I hope paid content to. Disney Plus, baka naman.
Wala ka bang, I'm so surprised na yung number 1 mo. Wala ka pa bang superhero fatigue?
Never.
Never magkaroon
Never.
superhero fatigue.
Never. Doon ako lumaki. Sa comics ako natuto magbasa.
Talaga. So yung first word mo, bam, gano'n. Pow, gano'n.
Batman.
Daredevil.
No, tsaka may comics talaga ako na Daredevil. Tapos, I will provide a photo here nung comics ko na yon. Pero, yung cover niya, poster siya nung show. Yes, so I had the mismong comic book na yon.
Right.
Tapos ginawa nilang poster ng show. So I'm like super hyped about this. Tapos pag binasa mo yon, wala siyang speech balloons.
Ay,
It's
talaga.
just fighting.
Phew.
Puro fighting lang yun, naalala ko. And I was like 5 to 6 years old. Tapos tinitingnan ko lang siya. Sobrang cool. So, can't wait.
Ikaw, Obi, anong ano mo? Sabi ka lang, top 1. Anong gusto mong movie?
Jackal.
Jackal, yo.
The Day of the Jackal.
Day of the Jackal.
Sobrang ganda naman talaga. So yun, I hope we gave you some suggestions on your next watch. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. And don't forget to take a break.
Yeah.
Relax kapag uwi nyo galing trabaho. Sobrang nakakapagod. Don't forget to unwind, no? Which is our segment for today.
Alright.
And as always, we are rooting for you.
Galingan nyo, and dahil wala si Harry dito,
3, 2, 1, todo!